Hi there, this is Tracey Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group. Are you looking to get into the Toronto real estate market but can't find anything under $700,000? You want 2 bedrooms, hardwood floors, soaring ceilings in a great neighborhood with great access to downtown Toronto? You need to come check out our loft at 99 Chandos. Let's go inside and take a look. When you first come into the suite, you immediately notice the soaring ceilings, approximately 11 feet tall. We've also got this handy coat closet, and the hardwood floors continue through the suite. The kitchen features all your full-size stainless steel appliances, a double sink, a granite countertop with a sit-up breakfast bar overlooking your living room, dining room. The living area features the exposed ductwork, the beam ceilings, and the Juliet balcony. This bright master bedroom features again the exposed ductwork, the hardwood floors, a closet, and they have a queen size bed in here now, but you can see you could easily fit a king as well as additional furniture. This 4-piece bathroom has been recently updated with a soaker tub, a marble surround with a beautiful glass inlay, and a stylish vanity with additional storage. This second bedroom is as spacious as the master bedroom. It also features the exposed ductwork, the hardwood floors, a double closet, and a stunning skylight, which as you can see lets in a ton of natural light. Some notable features about this listing: it's a quiet residential neighborhood, though we are steps away from a 24-hour bus. We're also just around the corner from the Galleria Mall, which is getting redeveloped, as well as shops, restaurants, cafes, all close by. Thank you for joining us on our tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us or join us at one of our open houses this weekend.